I guess we're gonna do a how-to video now on, what is this thing called?
Velossatech Big Mouth air ram intake.
Alright, on Hiro's 2013 ST, signed by who, man? Yeah, so this is like an extra. You want to explain it since it's your car?
Okay, so basically what this does, since how the way it's curved, inside, start from the factory, it already has one coming in. It's just like it's covered up by this entire bumper, so it's not really getting as much air. So with this, how Velossatech designed it, is how they had to make it into like a really good curve for the air to come in. And so from there, you just install it, air goes in, bada bing, bada boom.
Fits like right here, but not on the outside. It'd be underneath the bumper, and it'll come out like that. It would look pretty cool. You know, it's cool. It's pretty light too.
Most of it, the reason why it took so long is because the whole thing right here is 3D printed. Then after that, they just molded this out from plastic.
See?
So it was
all
worth
right.
the wait.
So I guess we're gonna do a how-to video on this. We've already got the headlight off, like loose, and ready to take off. It comes like that from the factory because it's a Ford, so you know Fords are like that. They're just junk. But yeah, so we'll get back to you whenever we have the headlight off. And we have to take the bumper off. Do we have to take the bumper off?
Yeah. All
right, whenever we get this started coming off and everything. So yeah, real pains in the butt to get off. We got that side off, that side messed up and broke, so there's that. But then you take a flathead and pop these off. And the bolts that are holding the headlight in are T30s.
Yeah.
T30s. Just so you know. We're going to take the bumper off now and get that well taken care of. And we'll get this thing on the road and see what happens. Alright, so I don't know how those disconnect over there. But I know that there are, I don't know. Wait, this just pulls up. There's little clips right here on the bumper. I think it pulls up and off, or it pushes down and over. Down and under, I think. That's what it looks like to me. Yeah, they're just clips right here on this. They just go like this, Hiro. Push that in. Oh. But then whenever we take it off, it just pushes. That pulls up and then that comes out. Yeah, so get that loose.
I'm trying to see it.
And then we got to get this right here.
Okay, look. Right here. See these things right here? I'm trying to figure out how we're going to
Who?
This right here.
Where are we at? Yeah, we'll figure that out. Alright, let's get to it. So, what you have to do now, take the splash guards off. There's a Torx bit there, Torx bit there. Over here is two like push pins, and then there's a Torx bit down there. But other than that, that's about it. That should give you the reach to get back here under these bolts right here that hook up to the frame, to the bumper, the top and bottom, the fender, and then the bumper right here. So that's all you got to do. Alright, 10 mil. You pop those out, and then it just comes completely like loose. That's paper thin. But yeah, so we just not. That's a lot of dirt on my hat. Just do the same thing over here, and it should be easy peasy lemon squeezy. So yeah. These bottom clips out. How'd you do that, Hiro? Do it again on this side though.
What, this?
Whatever you did to get that side off. Oh hell. Just lift that up. Try again. There it is. There.
Alright, grab this out. Alright, now you're gonna have to disconnect the fog light connector that's on
hold
that
up.
side.
Try not to break this one.
Alright, hold up before you do. Please don't break that one like the other.
There.
Cute little fucking unicorn. I'm sick.
Dude, where's your intercooler?
Here,
Dude, that intercooler is like minuscule.
Like deep in there?
It's right here. It's like that thing's tiny. Okay, so this thing right here, where's even the piece that we're putting on, Hiro?
It's on the passenger seat.
Okay, you know, window down, yeah.
Damn you!
So it's gonna go like that.
So we just gotta take this off, cut here to here, make that bitch fit.
could just shove it down. Hiro's like, ah, here. Nope, that's a double thingy again. Take this top layer off first. Oh, that's alright. Here, hold it.
You know, now you want me to hold it.
Yeah. I gotta find that sweet spot, dude. Like, just to get it just right and slide it in there. Gotta have oh man, come on, baby girl. What are you doing, dude? Dude, what are you doing? Oh, it's over here. Forward. Thank you, forward. All the way over here. Like, what the fuck? Alright, listen here, ho. I need you to rotate. There. Hell, rotate again. There. Just take this, pop these out. There's that one. Take this one. Hiro, you're breathing really heavy.
Nah, I know what you're talking about.
There. Here's that one.
Ah, fuck.
And this one right here. You got it?
Yeah.
You need a performance filter, Hiro.
I'll get a K&N one.
That thing's kind of dirty. I mean, there's that. You have to take the airbox off, pop that off. You have to take this off now to get that, because the bolts go all the way through, like this plastic frame. I thought it was metal, but that's plastic. Maybe. I don't know what it is.
Nah, it's just aluminum, probably. Aluminum.
Maybe. I don't know.
12.
But, yeah. So, here we go. Let's hope they're the same size. Dude, I'm like fingers deep in a big mouth.
Looks like catfish mouth.
You got your Allen keys?
No.
I should. In the trunk of the tib.
Right, now I got another washer to put on.
You got one more? Another one? Yeah, put it on like that. I mean, if you want. That should be it. And then we should be good. So we cut this. Kind of just hacksawed it, but, you know, it works. It was his. Yeah, dude. It was his call on that. Put your finger over that. There you go. Over this job. I mean, whatever. You know. Did I mess you up? Dude, you know if you take your cap off of this, it'll make your AC colder. Got this on. Washer here. It's all 3D printed, this is, and that. Washer, those, the hex bolts, the Allen keys. We cut this to make it fit, because without cutting it, it would just, I don't know, it just wouldn't work. And now we have to put this little, where's this go to? Your fucking transmission cooler? I don't know, it's going down to your transmission, it looks like, I don't know where it goes. Turbo, I guess, yeah, cool. I just sound really stupid right there. I went to bed last night at like 4 o'clock in the morning and woke up at like 7:30.
You really didn't think
I'm
you'd go
tired.
to the turbo?
Leave me alone. I'm doing this, not you. Leave me alone.
I mean, I'm still helping.
It's your car. But
You're helping at least.
So yeah. All right. Whenever we get this back together and like the headlights and bumpers back on, we're probably gonna go for a cruise and see how if it's any difference in performance. It might make a different sound. Maybe. I don't know. Hopefully. That'd be cool as shit. That'd be cool. Sound like mine, but that'd be lit. Alright, let's do it. So, that's what it's going to look like. It's going to look pretty cool. I mean, I hope water don't get in it. That's the only fear of me that I was expressing to him. It's a clean ass G, dude. If you've watched this, I respect your G. I like your G, dude. But, yeah. Let's get this going. Let's put that on and then we'll go for a ride. Just a little stuff left now. Boom, bada boom, bada boom. That thing's massive. Holy crapola. Dude, it matches the ST. That's hard.
Yeah, that's the one with black and white.
Gang, gang. Does the RS come blue?
You can come, I mean, you can pick any color. Hell, dude, you could pick glow in the dark if you wanted to.
Dude, that would have been sick. They would have thought you had like a runny nose, though.
The running nose ST.
The car. Alright, I'm gonna put these last clips on. I know you can't see right now, but on the fender well right here. And then we are done. He's tightening up the Torx bit for the headlights, and it's finito. So I'll put these up real quick, and we're done. And then, since I've put in most of the work tonight, he is going to let me drive it. I've never driven his car before, so I'm pretty excited here. I don't think he's too excited about it though.
I'm scared.
We're gonna be alright. Headlights check real quick, make sure we didn't break anything, okay? Do them?
Hold on.
Yeah, we're good. Hold on, wait. Hey, listen closely. Dude, you can hear it sucking.
Really?
Yeah, dude, if you put your ear up to it, well, you can hear it. Give it a little gas. Give it some gas. I think, give it some gas. Do it again. A little bit. Dude, that's hard. That's hard.
I think.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And if this is your first video, leave a like and subscribe for more content. And yeah, thank you and have a good day. And his Instagram is haha_st. I'll put it in the description below. All right, thank you and have a good day.